Good morning, students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 4 immunity and blood groups, and today's topic is blood transfusion. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 4 immunity and blood groups, and today's topic is blood transfusion. It means transfer of blood from one person to another person. So blood, it means fluid connective tissue. Transfusion, it means transfer. So means of blood transfusion is transfer of blood from one person to another person. First of all, introduction of transfusion. Students, Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis, Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis, a French physician, on 15th June 1667 carried out blood transfusion for the first time. Students, remember, first time blood transfusion by Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis on 15th June 1667. Once again, first time blood transfusion by Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis on 15th June 1667. Blood, it means fluid connective tissue. Transfusion, it means transfer. So simple means of blood transfusion is blood transfer to one person to another person. This process is, or which process is called blood transfusion. Next, he transfused, it means Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis transfused blood in a 15th year old boy from a ship. Next, he transfused, it means Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis transfused blood in 15 years old boy from ship. Next, definition of blood transfusion. This is a method in which blood or blood products like plasma, means It is a 55% part of blood. Platelets are blood corpuscles, etc., are transferred. It means transfusion from the circulatory system of one person to another. So completed introduction of blood transfusion. First time transfusion by Dr. Jean Baptiste Denis on 15th June 1607. Second definition. And next, requirement of blood transformation. Blood transfusion is absolutely necessary in the following situation. Necessary in the following situation. Following situations. First is during surgery. It means doctor or surgeon to remove any unnecessary part of human body. It is called surgery. Next, patient of hemophilia. Students, hemophilia is a genetic disease or hereditary disease. It is also known bleeder disease. Third, patients of sickle cell anemia. It is a autosomal recessive disease. Next, serious blood deficiency. And last, at the time of injury. So, requirement of blood transformation or transfusions. First situation is during surgery. Second, patients of hemophilia. It is genetic or hereditary disease. Patients of sickle cell anemia. It is autosomal recessive disease. Serious blood deficiency. And next, at the time of injury. Second, process of blood transfusion. Process of blood transfusion. Blood transfusion blood transfusion process completed. 2 steps like first blood collection, next transfusion. It means process of blood transfusion is completed. 2 steps: first blood collection, second transfusion. First step is blood collection. First is before the process of blood collection, donor is examined medically. First, second is after medical examination. It means blood test, blood from the donor is collected in special sterilized pouches containing anticoagulants. It means blood clotting factors, anti-blood clotting factors. Third is the collected blood is kept in a refrigerator. Next is the store blood is subjected to different tests. It means blood tests like blood group. Students, remember, Suman have ABO blood group. RH factor, it is an antigen first time discovered in macaca rhesus monkey. Next, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. They are liver disease. A scientific name of liver is hepatic. So hepatitis, it means liver disease. Next, HIV, human immunovirus. Students, it is a pathogen of AIDS disease. Next, fifth, after blood collection, the donor kept under medical surveillance for some time. Next, after blood donation, in human plasma, it means part of blood, is replenished in 2-3 days. It means blood again synthesis after blood donation 2-3 days. Next method is, this is first method of blood transfusion, blood collection. Second method is transfusion. It means transfer of blood and blood product from one person to another person. First is prior to transfusion, the patient's blood is matched with the blood of donor. Next is the collected blood is brought out of the storage area just 30 minutes before start of the transfusion. Once again, the collected blood, students remember, collect donor's blood collected in refrigerator. So the collected blood is brought out the storage area just 30 minutes before start of transfusion. Third is blood is transfused only through intravenous mode. This is a 4-hour, it means long process long procedure which is mediated by the help of cannula. Next, it means a large anterior part of syringe. It is called cannula. Next, medicines are given by the doctor to prevent the transfusion related reactions like fever, it means viral fever, pain, and heartbeat. Next, types of blood transfusion, mostly two types. First is allogenic and second is autogenic blood transfusion. First is allogenic, second is autogenic transfusion. First is allogenic. Students, it is a types of blood transfusion. Such a transfusion in which blood collected from other person is used. Seconds, autogenic transfusion, it is a types of transfusion. In this transfusion, it means such a transfusion in which blood collected from the person itself is used. Once again, last part of blood transfusions today is types of blood transfusion, mostly two types. First is allogenic transfusion, second is autogenic transfusions. Students, it means transfer of blood from one person to another, it is called transfusion. Allo, it means other person, different persons. If transfusion of blood from recipient by other person used. But autogenic, auto, it means self. So in this transmission or transfer of blood from the person itself, it means own blood, So allogenic, it means transfer to blood from different or other persons. Auto, it means self, it means transfer of blood from own bloods, own used bloods, or itself is used. So thanks, have a nice day.